Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which asks for draw a speeding animal. So basically it's asked for asked for a drawing where an animal is in like a fast motion or it is running at its maximum possible speed. So let's for this kind of exercises we will first draw with a suppose what we call as the line of action, okay, and which sets the tone for the for our figure. Okay, so suppose this is the head and these are the legs, rough indication of the entire figure first, and that can give you uh, a good idea about how the figure is going to form. Okay, after you have this gesture, then you can add certain lines which can be start with the head first, and then slowly give the legs which like it is running. All right, so after you have the front portion of the body, then you can go for the back side and the torso. Like this. The back side of the leg. Remember, the bodies get stretched while the animals are moving. Okay, so that has to be taken into consideration. If there is in fast motion, their bodies get stretched, so that has to be reflected in your sketch. That shall get reflected in your sketch that their bodies are stretched because they are trying to attain a very high speed. Okay, and also sometimes they, due to this random motion, they jumps from the their from the ground. They are a little elevated, so that also gives an added effect in your uh, drawing in itself. Okay, so this is the ground and from where it is trying to jump. After that you can give certain features of that uh, facial features of the facials and other bodily features which can help establish your drawing. Okay, so first just give this general structure. Okay, bodily feathers, and after that we can go for the texture. So as you know, that is how the uh, skin texture of a cheetah. So it's about how well and fast you can achieve that likeliness, because in the examination you won't have all day to sketch, or you shall not devote uh, much time in a single piece of drawing to make it look super realistic, and you ignore other drawings, or you don't save time for the others. So develop your skills where you can achieve the likeliness faster and it is identifiable. So after you achieve this one, then you can give certain shades so that the parts of the body comes out. Okay, so thus you have a solution ready. Now another thing is, when you draw a speeding animal, you can give certain directional lines like this, which shows that the animal is in motion. So these are like lines which establishes, and also the ground. You see, you can draw the ground in a blurry manner. So these lines actually indicates speed in which that animal is moving. Okay, just a little bit of background. And thus you have a sketch ready, which the question actually asked for, and then after that you can just erase the unnecessary lines. there we go. Alright, so I hope you understood how to take up questions like this and make accurate drawings, which would be helpful in understanding how to draw a dynamic figure, animal figure. So I hope you understood and this helped you a lot. Thank you.